I'm going to be putting a new case on my phone and screen protector. This will work with any case and screen protector that you have. You can leave your phone on or off if you want. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of this box and show you what comes included in it. This particular brand is Pseudonox box. Came with a nice little card. And I got this case that has the MagSafe on it. So if you buy one with this will allow you to use the magnet that's on the back and to be able to charge your phone if you have one of those chargers that you lay it on. And then usually it comes with 1 or 2 screen protectors. So this one has 2. Sometimes they come with 3. I'll leave this one linked, of course. I like this kind of case because of the feel of it. It just feels good when you're holding your phone, so that's why I got that one. All right, so what I do here, it usually comes with like a wipe and a dust absorber and these guide stickers here. So we're going to go ahead and clean it with the wet wipe first. Use the dry wipe to dry it up as quickly as you can. Try to not touch it with your fingers if possible. I like to clean it really good and get all oil, grease, anything off of there, so it should look really clean. Use your dust absorber, and you really want to use this because if there's any little small dust particles, it will put a bubble in your screen, under your screen protector. So you're going to want to take whatever is the sticky side. So this part peels right here. Let me show you. See how that peels? That's the sticky side. So you want to put that back on and turn the sticky side upside down, and you're going to lay that on top of there. But one thing I like to do is to take my wet wipe, do this first, and my dry wipe, and the dust absorber, because sometimes dust likes to sit right on here and then transfer over to here. And then I just give this one last run through with the dust absorber, then lay it down. All right, now you're going to want to align it with the phone. Okay, so you want to just put your guide sticker on there without moving your screen protector too much. And then we'll go ahead and do the other ones here. Yeah, everything looks okay. I feel like it's off just a little bit. Let me go ahead and move this over some. Okay, there's that one. And the last one at the top. Before they started putting guide stickers in, I used to use tape. And this is how I used to do it all the time. Okay, so it's pretty much aligned as best as it's going to get. And I'm okay with where it's at. So now this is where you want to go ahead and lift it. Get the sticky part off. The protector off. And then you want to just drop it on down. Just like that. Okay, and then you can just take off the guide stickers. Those should pop right off. And as you can see, I got a little bit of a bubble here, so I could just press that out some until it comes out. It might have gotten a little piece of lint in there. We'll try to press that out. Yep, there it goes. Other side. And this corner here. Okay, no lint. If it was lint, it would not go. So, and then over time, any little bubbles will come out. All right, so that's how you put on the screen protector. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drop it inside of the case here. And now the phone is protected and good to go. And then we'll just keep this for a backup. What I like to do is write on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, and then put it in the drawer, so whenever I need it, I know that this one belongs to this phone.